Howdy, I'm Derek from Heckler. Let's take a look at the Heckler Express Install Tabletop Stand, our clean, fast, and simple solution for deploying Microsoft Teams rooms. First, what is Microsoft Express Install for Teams rooms? Microsoft's Express Install program for Teams rooms accelerates and streamlines deployments with pre-configured hardware solutions that require minimal setup. The program focuses on fast, repeatable installations that avoid in-wall wiring and reduce contractor involvement, empowering organizations to enhance more of their meeting spaces with Microsoft Teams rooms. Designed specifically for your Express Install projects, this tabletop stand helps you, and you alone, to deploy a fully functional Teams room in just 1 hour, and with no tools and no stress. Allow me to give you a product tour. Let's start with the base. To ensure your tabletop system is stable, we've created this 25-pound, quarter-inch thick steel base coated in our durable powder coat, featuring an ultra-fine texture. Your display, when mounted, is centered above the base with a full 15 degrees of forward and backward tip resistance. Large urethane feet raise the base half an inch, allowing power and network cables to pass underneath and up through the grommeted holes into the covered device panel. CAT cables can also exit through these holes to connect and power your touch control. If you're in an area with high seismic activity, these two holes can be used to bolt the stand to your tabletop. Now, on to the device panel. At the heart of the Heckler Express Install Tabletop Stand is the device panel. The device panel is cleverly designed to be a single plane to mount your display, your video bar, your mini PC, all power adapters, a power strip, and extra cables. Let's take a closer look. The Express Install Tabletop Stand is purpose-built for 43-inch, 50-inch, and 55-inch displays, ideal for close collaboration in compact huddle spaces. It supports displays with VESA 200 or VESA 300 horizontal mounting pattern. Note that VESA 400 mounting patterns are not supported. This is intentional to help ensure oversized displays cannot be installed to keep your stand stable and balanced. Mounting your display to this hole pattern is easy. Simply fasten the provided M6 or M8 set screws and spacers to your display, hang the display, then fasten the display to the device panel with the included thumb screws. On the device panel, below the display mounting pattern, you'll find the universal video bar mounting pattern. This aesthetic hole pattern is designed for compatibility with the wall mounting brackets from Logitech and other popular video bar brands. Simply fasten your video bar's mounting bracket at the desired height to this hole pattern using the included thumb screws and thumb nuts. The Express Install Tabletop Stand is compatible with Rally Bar Mini, Rally Bar Huddle, Meetup 2, and other popular video bars designed for smaller meeting rooms. The remaining surface of the device panel features an expansive field of Heckler grid. The upper area of the grid has ample open space for mounting mini PCs up to 2 inches tall. Simply strap the mini PC to the Heckler grid or use the VESA 100 mounting holes to fasten your mini PC's mounting bracket. Use the remaining area of Heckler grid to mount your power adapters, power strip, and extra cabling. Lastly, the openness of device panel's hole pattern provides excellent passive airflow around your mounted components. On to the cover. The Felt-Right cover features tool-free installation, a warm premium feel, acoustic dampening, and RF transparency. You can configure your tabletop stand with a cover in the standard cast color or select from any of Felt-Right's curated palette of 42 stunning colors. To enhance the aesthetics of your deployment, you can even order your stands with your logo or other artwork printed on the cover. Opt for a subtle logo that complements your panel color, a simple white logo, or bold full-color artwork. That's the tour. Now let me show you how easy it is to assemble. With Express Install's goal of one person, one room in 1 hour, our goal was to create a stand that assembles in minutes, without tools, to leave you with ample time to mount your gear and commission your Microsoft Teams room. Let's begin. First, attach the column to the base. Next, fasten the device panel to the column. Stand complete. Now, let's mount your gear. First, mount your display to the device panel. After your display is mounted, Fasten your video bar's wall mount to the universal hole pattern directly below your display, then fasten your video bar to its wall mount. Next, mount your power adapters, power strip, and cabling inside the device panel. Lastly, install the Feltrite cover, and your assembly is complete, with many minutes left to spare to provision your computer, video bar, and touch controller. Whether outfitting one huddle room at headquarters or deploying to hundreds of spaces worldwide, Heckler Express Install Tabletop Stand is designed for one-person installation in under 1 hour. The Express Install Tabletop Stand is ADA, ACA, and TAA compliant, making it suitable for deployment in public institutions, government facilities, and enterprise environments worldwide. The Heckler Express Install Tabletop Stand is your fast, tool-free solution for deploying Microsoft Teams rooms in any compact huddle space. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Heckler Express Install Tabletop Stand, check out the link below or head to heckler.com.